Hey guys, it's Normo here, and I am back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing another money making app called Zapsurveys. With this app, you simply complete short and easy surveys and tasks to earn cash. Ensure to stay until the end of the video to learn how you can multiply your earning passively. If you want this app, click the special link in the description to download it. So if you want to learn more ways to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app. Guys, one notice. With this app, you get a bonus of $6.25 for just signing up. So yes guys, keep that in mind when signing up for this app. So yes guys, as I said before, this is an app in which you complete surveys and tasks in exchange for cash. So this app has 4 categories, which is surveys, daily, cash out, and more. We are currently in the survey section, and it has 3 sections. It has top research surveys, which are daily surveys, high paying surveys. For every dollar you make, we donate 5 cents to charity. You have peanut lab surveys, which are also daily surveys. Every completed survey, you get rewarded, and we make a donation to stop child starvation around the globe. And you also have location rewards, which are spontaneous rewards. Get rewarded for being places. Rewards are available at most major retailers. The second category is daily. Here is where you can complete tasks, and you will also receive a small amount of cash. So as you can see at the top, it has daily login cash. So every day you log in, you will receive a small amount of cash. So as you can see, I have already logged in today and I have received 3 cents for logging in. Below that are tasks, and the first task you can see here is Zap goals. Here you complete goals to earn Zap towards your goal reward, and Zap is that electric looking symbol. So at the moment, I currently have 10 out of 500 Zap, and when I reach the 500 Zap mark, I'll be receiving a reward of $10. And in this Zap goal, you have a second goal which you to complete and earn 15 Zap and 5 cents. And below Zap goals, you have the current challenge. Here, you should log in for 45 days in a row to earn an extra 75 cents. So the third category, which is cash out. Here is where you can see your balance, and currently my balance is $6.55. The minimum cash out amount is $25. Bottom left corner of this screen, you see follow us. There is where you can follow this app on its different social media platforms. At the bottom right corner, you see invite friends. In a little bit later, I will be explaining that. So the last category is more. Here is where you can learn about the app and also see your info. So as you can see, you have account setting. There, it will show you all the info about you on this app. Below that, you have refer your friends. Here is where you can multiply your earnings passively. All you have to do is share your invite link with your friends. When they use your invite link, you will receive 45 cents, and the friend that uses your invite link will also receive 75 cents. Below refer your friends, you have share, rate Zapsurveys, notification setting, and you can also learn about Zapsurveys. So yes guys, we have come to the end of the video. So guys, if you want to learn how to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel. Leave a like and comment down below, and also share this video with a friend. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.